Hi, welcome to the Complete Android N Developer course. My name's Rob, and I'm the creator of the world's most popular coding courses, with over 400,000 students and 20,000 5-star reviews on Udemy alone. My latest Android course is better than ever, with over 30 hours of clear, compelling content taking you from no coding experience whatsoever to building professional quality apps. With over 65% market share, Android is the platform to be developing for, and Android N is the most powerful and developer-friendly version yet. I'll start by showing you how to download Android Studio on any platform, Windows, Mac or Linux, and then we'll go on to build simple apps like a currency converter and a brain trainer. Then we'll go on to build clones of Instagram, Uber, Flappy Bird, Twitter and WhatsApp. As my current students know, I'm always there in the forums and I'll be there to help you out if ever you get stuck. But you get a lot more than just the best learning experience for Android available. You get a copy of my 5-star rated ebook, How to Earn $10,000 While Learning to Code. You get $50 of AWS credit, a year's free web hosting on the Eco Web Hosting Advanced package, and you'll get a huge range of visual assets to use in your apps worth over $500. So, are you ready to become a successful Android app developer? Come and join me on this exciting journey today.